Welcome back to Zevolis, the channel where we dive deep into the world of billionaires, luxury lifestyles, and the jaw-dropping things only the ultra-rich can afford. Today, we're exploring a fleet of cars so rare, so exclusive, that only the world's wealthiest can even dream of owning them. These aren't just vehicles, they're rolling works of art, status symbols worth millions, and the ultimate billionaire toys. From gold-plated hypercars to custom machines worth more than private jets. Stick around, because number one on this list will make you rethink what expensive really means. Kicking off our list is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, literally meaning the black car. Priced at an eye-watering $18 million, this one-of-a-kind hypercar is the Mona Lisa of automobiles. With a quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing 1,500 horsepower, it's not just about speed, it's about history, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Rumored to be owned by Cristiano Ronaldo, this is not just transportation, it's the ultimate billionaire statement. Next, we have a car that looks more like a private yacht on wheels, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. With a $13 million price tag, this custom-made beauty was commissioned by a billionaire who wanted a car inspired by luxury yachts and aircraft. With handcrafted details, panoramic glass roof, and bespoke interiors, the Boat Tail is the ultimate display of how money can literally buy your dream car. When you think of Italian craftsmanship and insane exclusivity, the Pagani Huayra Codalunga comes to mind. Only 5 of these exist in the world, each costing $7.4 million. This machine isn't just about performance, it's about design philosophy. With its elongated tail, it looks like something straight out of science fiction, reminding us that billionaires don't just buy cars, they buy pieces of the future. At number 7, we have the Mercedes-Maybach Excelero, a one-of-one concept car worth $8 million. Originally built to test high-performance tires, it turned into one of the most sought-after billionaire collectibles. Rapper Birdman once claimed ownership, but whether it's in a billionaire's garage or a luxury vault, the Excelero remains a legend of automotive design. Bugatti makes another appearance with the Centodieci, a tribute to the iconic EB110 from the 1990s. Limited to just 10 units worldwide, this $9 million hypercar blends nostalgia with cutting-edge engineering. With 1,600 horsepower and a design that screams exclusivity, it's no wonder billionaires like Cristiano Ronaldo have one sitting in their collection. Swedish engineering meets billionaire budgets with the Koenigsegg CCXR Tre Vita, coated in a special diamond dust carbon fiber finish. This car literally sparkles in the sunlight. Price tag? Around $4.8 million. Only 2 were ever made, and one of them was famously owned by Floyd Mayweather. This isn't just a car, it's rolling jewelry. Next up, the Aston Martin Valkyrie. This hypercar, designed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing, pushes Formula One technology onto the streets. Priced at over $3 million, it's a car that makes even seasoned billionaires raise an eyebrow. Imagine having the experience of an F1 driver, but in your private collection. That's the luxury only billionaires can afford. Coming in hot is the Lamborghini Veneno. With a limited production of only a few units, this futuristic beast cost around $4.5 million when released. Now, it's considered priceless among collectors, with resale values soaring beyond original prices. For billionaires, the Veneno is both a toy and an investment. At number 2, we have the McLaren P1 LM. While the original P1 was already insane, the LM version is an even rarer, track-focused beast. With only 5 units ever made, billionaires with deep pockets fought hard to get one. It's not just speed, it's exclusivity. For the ultra-rich, owning something almost no one else can have is the ultimate flex. And finally, the crown jewel of billionaire cars, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Valued at around $28 million, this is the most expensive new car ever made. Only 3 exist, each tailor-made for their billionaire owners. with built-in cocktail sets, parasols, and even a luxury hosting suite hidden in the trunk. This isn't a car, it's a lifestyle on wheels. So, which of these billionaire machines blew your mind the most? Was it the futuristic Bugatti, the diamond-coated Koenigsegg, or the $28 million Rolls-Royce Boat Tail? If you enjoyed this journey into the world of billionaire cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Zevolis, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the luxury lifestyles of the ultra-rich. Until next time, this is Zevolis, where we unlock the secrets of billionaire luxury.